going to put some caulking inside the seam on the inside of this mold. Usually I like to use a darker color like brown or black so I can actually see it a little bit better, and makes it easier for cleanup, that I don't miss any pieces. But unfortunately I only have white right now in my shop, so that's what I'm going to use. Okay, I'm not liking how I can't finish the underside of this table. Obviously nobody's ever going to see it, but I'm going to know it's not right. So what I'm doing right now is, this is starting to set up just a little bit to where I can start pulling off the pieces of wood that are aligning the bolts. And then what I'll do is I'll remove the base, and then I'll finish it kind of like this one over here. I don't know if you can see that, there it is. Yeah, so this one I feel much better about. I was able to smooth it all out. There's no gaps or anything, no holes underneath the that will be underneath the frame. So I think this is a better way to do it. Alright, so what I'm doing here is I'm just going to drive these wedges in between the concrete and the mold, and what that will do is separate the concrete from the mold and prevent too much scuffing on the concrete, because the wood's pretty soft. Oh man, that's alright. I don't know if you can see, but this is inlaid perfectly into the concrete. It doesn't look like much yet, but when I get to polishing this out, this is going to come out just perfect. So I'm very happy with that. Alright, I've got it just about to the last grit that I'm going to use. And there are some voids that I don't like, and so what I like to do is get the surface wet, and then now that I have it wet, there's all the pockets that have a little bit of water in them. I take some dry mix of the stuff that I made the table out of, and I just rub it into the holes. So like this one here, there's a little bit of a hole right here, and I'll just rub that in. And I like to do this actually in the last step, so that I'll let this dry, and then I'll hit it with the 500 again, and it'll smooth it out. If you do this too early, what happens is all the material will kind of get sucked out or washed out if it's not dry enough, or if it doesn't cure right. So when you hit it with whatever the last grit you use, it has a tendency to want to stay in there a little bit better and not fall out. All right, so I'm gonna run over to the winery right now, over to ONX, and get some video and footage of the tables in their natural habitat, or something like that. All right, if you made it to the end of this video, I appreciate it. This is the first of a series of videos that is going to be coming out for ONX Winery, so stay tuned for those. Hit the subscribe and like buttons, and as always, Shalom.